Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Allison. And I am currently staying at the Loews Royal Pacific Resort, and I'm going to give a room tour of room number 1123, which is a standard king size room. So let's take a tour of this room. I am staying at the Loews Royal Pacific in a standard king room, and I wanted to give you guys a little room tour. I have never stayed at a Universal property, so this is definitely my first time. So when you walk in, there is this nice kind of space right here. The floors are really nice. They have a connecting door. This is for room 1123. Of course, they've got like a deadbolt, and then what are these called? One of these locks. There's a light switch right here, and you walk in and there is the main room right here, and then off to your right is the bathroom. So they have a really nice big oh my gosh, I've been on a plane all day, but I decided if I didn't do this now, I was never gonna do it. So they do have like a big giant mirror, and then they have like a little mirror. Here's a vanity. Now in your room, you actually get some like nice hand and body cream, hand and body wash, shower cap, face bar, and then some little like cotton balls and Q-tips and all of that. And then down below is some nice storage, hair dryer, and towels. And then you walk over here, there is a shower. It is not a bath, and I think that that's important to note. If you are planning to stay here with kids, there is some more, it opens like this. There's some more shampoo and conditioner, another body bar. They have like a little, one of those drying ropes. And then it looks like they have several different shower options. And the door, I actually think is really interesting because it doesn't open, it slides. So it's got like that really nice, sleek, modern feel to it. And then directly across there is a pretty spacious closet. So there's a luggage rack, an ironing board, a safe, some hangers, an iron, and then some extra bed sheets. And I will show you why that's relevant, which I thought was really interesting. So when you walk into the main room here, it's really beautiful, really modern, like I said. So here is the king size bed. I love these. So this has the plugs and like USB ports and 2 plugs on each side. There's a little drawer right here, an alarm clock. Also, you can play, if you have an iPhone, you can play some iPhone music. Some nice artwork on the wall here. Let's see. Right there. And then there's this big old thing to put your things away. Now, I haven't looked in here. Oh, okay, right. We've got a coffee maker right here. So there is some coffee. Looks like there's some tea, decaf coffee, cups, some like bigger glasses, a ice chest. I'm so tired, you guys, I'm sorry. I got like 4 hours of sleep. I did an overnight flight. And then there is a little fridge right here on the side. And then this is what I thought was interesting. I didn't realize they have like a little pull-out couch, which I think is a queen size bed, I want to say. So you can definitely have 4 people sleep in here, which is wonderful. And then it's got a little desk area, which is great for me because I do work on every vacation. So I'm very happy to have a desk to do some work at. And then there's also this guy, which, I don't know, it looks like it would be storage, but I don't think it's storage. I don't see it opening up. But yeah. And so now I have a standard room, but my view is still pretty. It's just like I would call it a garden view if I had to call it something. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you found this helpful. I might do a review of it at some point. You guys know I normally stay Disney, but I have started selling Universal. If you didn't know this, I am a travel agent that specializes in Disney vacations, but I have moved into also doing Universal vacations because a lot of my clients really would like to come to Universal as well. So if you are looking to book a Universal vacation, I would love to help you plan your trip, and thank you so much. Please consider subscribing if you have not already, and turn on the notification bell. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.